clearly this is a little bit of a step up from what we were looking at yesterday in terms of inequalities, but all the same properties from our beginning unit still apply. The fraction busting, distributing, the two-step, variables on both sides, all those beginning lessons are still valid here. Okay? So, the very, very, very first thing I want to do here is what?
Distribute.
Even before that.
Draw the line.
Draw the line through my inequality.
Do you have to?
Yep. If you want credit in my class, you do.
Wait, what?
Yep. You have to draw the line. It's a good practice to get into. I cannot tell you how many times I've taken points off a test because someone subtracted 16 twice on the same side because they did not draw their line. I know it sounds crazy. I know you're probably thinking, I'll never make that mistake. I'm not that careless. I was going to say dumb. I'm not that careless. But it can happen to anyone because when you make a mistake on a test, you don't know you made a mistake. Otherwise, everyone would get 100% every time, right? You don't know if you made a mistake once you turn it in. Otherwise, why would you turn it in with mistakes on it? Okay? Draw the line, no issues. What is now the second thing I'm going to do? A lot of us said it. Distribute. Good job. What am I distributing?
Negative to the x and the 7.
Good. Great job. Negative 2x minus 14 is what that turns into by distributing. Anyone know what we're going to do now? We're going to add like terms. Are there any like terms on the same sides here?
No.
No. We're going to isolate x. Well, I have two x's. Which x should I isolate?
Plus 12. Plus 2x.
I got to get my x's together on the same side, right? Before I can start isolating, I got to condense them into one. Should I bring negative 2x to the left or positive 8x to the right?
Negative 2x.
Negative 2x to the left. Remember, in an equation, it doesn't necessarily matter. Here, it doesn't really matter either. But in set notation, my variable has to be on the left. So we might as well keep it that way and move our variable term to the left, right? What is 8x plus 2x?
10x.
10x. 16 plus 10x is less than or equal to negative 14. Notice how I'm leaving a space here, keeping everything in line, just like we should with our equations. What do I want to do now? Subtract 16. 10x is less than or equal to negative 30. And now, just like Kenya said, I'm going to divide. Kenya, what am I going to divide both sides by? 10. Thank you. What is 10 over 10?
1.
Not 0.
1.
1. Good job. Good job. 1. Do I need to write 1 in front of my x, though?
No.
Nope. So I'll just cross them out. What is negative 30 divided by 10?
Negative 3.
Negative 3. Should I flip my symbol here?
No.
No. Why not?
Because we're divided by negative.
Divided by a positive, not a negative. So I get x is less than negative 3. I'm going to write in set notation that my answer is all real numbers x, such that x is less than or equal to negative 3. And then I'm going to graph it. What type of dot should I make at negative 3?
Closed.
Closed dot. Should my arrow be going to the left or the right? To the left. All values less than negative 3 would include negative 4 and negative 5. How does that sound? Okay?
Yeah.
Not too bad? Not too bad. Okay? We'll just do one more example. So I want you to get a lot of work done before our fire drill.
Oh yeah.
Incident.
2:30.
Okay, write this down, please. Doesn't require this much talking.
You showed us first, bro. Do you see this? Like, what is this?
I've already split my inequality. What's the first action I want to take here? I already did it.
Distribute.
Distribute. What am I distributing? Negative 7 to A and 6. Good. What is negative 7 times A? What is negative 7 times 6? Thank you. Everything else stays the same. All right. Am I going to add 8A to both sides now?
No.
No. What do I want to do before I do that? Combine like terms. Negative 7A minus 7 more A's. What is that? 0? Good. Negative 14A. Am I going too fast? No. Perfect. All right. What do I do now?
Then you add the 8A.
Now I'm going to bring my variable to the left by adding 8A to both sides. I get negative 6A minus 42 is greater than negative 36. What's next?
Add 42.
Plus 42. What is negative 36 plus 42? 6. What's my last step here going to be? Divide by negative 6. What happens when I divide by negative 6?
You flip the symbol.
I flip the symbol.
The symbol flips. The symbol.
The symbol. I get A is what?
Less than negative 1.
Less than negative 1.
Why are you growling?
Flip the symbol. So my answer is the set all real numbers A such that A is less than negative 1. What type of dot am I going to make at negative 1? Open. Is my arrow going to go to the left or the right? Where's the alligator pointing? To the left. Okay. Not too bad.
Not to
Perfect.